Welcome. Given one trig function and the information about the location of the angle. So one trig function and some information about the location of the angle. Find the remaining 5 trig functions. They tell us cosine is positive. That only tells us, so far we know, just this first piece of information, cosine, which is x, is positive. Where is the cosine positive? It's going to be over here or over here. We're not sure. That's where the x values are positive. Okay, so that's what that first trig function tells us. Okay, the second trig function tells us exactly where that angle is going to be. All right, well now they're telling us it's between 270 and 360. All right, here's 270, here's 360. All right, so we've got an angle that's in the 4th quadrant. So go ahead and draw that. 4th quadrant, and notice, remember, from the bow tie, we're connecting that to the x-axis, right? Anytime we are drawing a triangle, it's connected to the x-axis. Here are the points, okay? We're not gonna connect it like this. No. All right. So there we go. So let me cosine. So we've got our x value is 4 and our radius is 5. And this value, this y distance, this is a right triangle, and we're going to Pythagorean theorem it. And we know Pythagorean theorem, that's going to be 3. Okay, but it's going down, so it's going to be a negative 3. Okay, so but if you were to do it with the Pythagorean theorem, you'd do 5 squared equals, 4 squared plus b squared. You'd solve for b. That's a 25, that's a 9. Subtract the 9 from both sides. I'm running out of room. 25 minus 9 is 16. The square root of 16 is 3. The Pythagorean theorem is going to give you 3, but you know it's negative 3 because it's going down. Are you with me? Okay, so now that we've got all of our information, we can go ahead and write our trig functions. So we've got sine, and notice how this problem they used theta. Here they're using x, okay? They're just using x. Oh, this one's got theta and x. That's a mistake. It doesn't really matter what variable they use. So sine of x, cosine of x, tangent of x equals. And this is, and I don't want to make a mistake like I did in the last one, cosecant x secant x cotangent x. Okay, no room. It's fine. Everything's fine. All right, so sine, negative 3/5. They gave us cosine 4/5. And we got y over x, negative 3/4. Checking the signs. Sine, we're in the 4th quadrant, right? Sine of the y value is negative. The x value is positive. And the tangent should be negative because the x and the y signs are different. So far we're good. And we're going to take all those now and flip them. So cosecant should be negative 5/3. Secant should be positive 5/4. And cotangent should be negative 4/3.